welcome back. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys today. I have my cat over here. Hey, say hello. Hello. Yes, you know you want to look at it. So I picked this up at the store today actually, and I'm so happy because it came just in time for my trip next week. I'm going to Vegas. Alright, so here it is. Give me a huge bag. So you have these. And it is, here's the box. Oh, what's in here? What is this? This must be the pickup receipt. Because I actually ordered this, I actually called client services to get this handbag because every time I look and try to order it online, it's not available. But meanwhile, you call up client services and they're able to get it to you, which is fantastic. So use client services. That's what they're there for. Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see, packaged. Just a little tidbit. It came like this, and I guess it was delivered to the store already wrapped up and ready to go, so that the sale is so soon. I have to tie it up. It's kind of nice. Let me show you what I got. I've been wanting a crossbody bag for a while now from Louis Vuitton, and the ones that they had the last 2 years, you know, some of them were leather, some of them were, I think, mixed, and I just didn't like any of them. So I waited, and I'm happy because this handbag, I believe, is a, how do you say it, a readaptation of a bag from 20 years ago with the same name. And back then I actually liked that bag too, but a few years after that, after it was, you know, discontinued, obviously it was only available pre-loved, and the ones that I saw online or on the pre-loved websites, they were not in great condition, and the ones that were kind of a bit expensive. So I waited. I'm glad I did. And this particular handbag I wasn't sure I was gonna get because it was always unavailable. And another thing too, it surprised me because I'm not sure if you guys know, I'm a Damier and Bean fan, or Damier, you know, print, and I actually got the monogram in this one, and tell you why. So here we are. Dust bag, envelope with the receipt, I believe. Heavy. Oh, yeah, it's income. And you see it's here. Envelope. Alright, let's go ahead and show you what I got. So, here it is. Look how beautiful this bag is. It is the Odeon PM in monogram with the black leather trim. And it's the perfect size, I think. I was looking for a crossbody bag. That wasn't too big, it wasn't too small. And I'm happy they brought this out again. Well, it's a little different. The shape is a little different. A lot more modern for 2021. But this is the Odeon PM, and I think 20 years ago or so they had the Odeon and the MM, the PM. So here it is. So this measures, I think, 11 by, is it 9 by 3, I think. So double zipper. I've opened this before. And of course this comes with a strap, which is included inside here. So I definitely have to make sure the strap is long enough for a crossbody, and I believe it is. Oops, oh, there goes the little luggage tag or what have you. Pretty that is. I don't know if that's gonna focus. I have a hard time getting to focus because I'm not very good with that kind of stuff. Let me put together, and here is the strap, nice and thick, so it should be comfortable. Okay, so this goes like this. Here. Done. So, not where it goes. Over here. This is easy. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is all and I'm gonna check in there. So it's looks lovely. How do you do this? Yeah, what is that? It's supposed to be this now. So let me show you the inside. I'll give you a little product code so you guys can take a look at it. So here is the let me put this over here. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it like that. Hopefully, the focus. This is just a barcode, so I'm not sure if you guys are able to see this close up. It's black inside. It's a black material inside with one main pocket. Well, there's an inside pocket here, and there's two smaller pockets. A cell phone. Oh, there's two. It's just two big pockets. So there's no divided pockets. I thought there was going to be a divided pocket for the cell phone, but I guess not. So one inner pocket. The beautiful zipper that was made famous by Marc Jacobs, I believe. See the big zippers, beautiful, beautiful zippers. And you have the nice little gold loop and close-up. I'll do some close-up details. Nice, thick, comfortable. It's actually the size of a belt, basically. You can probably wear this as a belt. Well, sort of, not really. So here we are. Of course, I definitely made sure I was not going to choose the vachetta because there's just no way that's gonna do well with me because I'm like grab and go. And the thing is too, I just like the look of the black with the monogram because it just looks, you know, it's treated leather, so you don't have to worry about snow or rain or what have you. And yeah, very light bag. I'm very happy with the purchase. Here is the bottom, the sides. So here we are, the Odeon PM, and it retails for $17.70 and plus tax depending on where you guys live. Yeah, so get your hands on this if you need to, because the stock really varies from time to time. When I spoke to my client, the client services, they said there was 5 in the store that I picked up from. And then when I called them to see if I can just go there and buy it myself, they said there was none. So it just changes every day. So I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm happy to have it. I'm happy about my crossbody bag. And this is actually a little bigger than my Gucci Mama. Let me just show you the difference, okay? Only because I've been wearing the Gucci Mama like since I bought it. I think I unboxed last year. So that's just been my go-to. But I need something a little more roomier. And 1 second, okay? Let me show you guys what that is. Alright, so here is the Gucci Marmont, which I've been wearing every day. And see it's a little taller, so this seems a little wider, but I think the bottom part of this bag is actually will accommodate whatever I have in here now. I'm gonna empty the stuff that I have in my bag, and I'm sure and I hope that everything fits. I have my wallet, I have my epi leather that I got from Fashion File. It's the coin purse in the epi leather. Beautiful, beautiful. Got my little earbud container. Prescription glasses. Got your lip gloss, hand cream, pen, chapstick. Let's see, what else? My work ID, I'm not going to show you. Some more lipstick, some Mentos. What the heck is this? Hand sanitizer. Oh yeah, lots of room. Some little care package just in case I ever need tea or sugar or something. One of these days I'll need it. More lip gloss. Magic marker. Let's see. That's that, and some other things which I'm not going to show you because they're like female stuff. So, oh, a little mirror. And yeah, look at that. Look at all that room. Look, this is my look. It's already like what's that thing? My jean. This looks pretty good over in this light, but you can see a little bit of the whatchamacallit, rubbing on my clothes, the jean stuff, denim, dye, what have you. So here, look at that. Perfect. And more room. So you can do it like this. You can have the zippers meet in the middle. What is this? Oh, there we are. I'm gonna fix this because this is, and oh yeah, there's an outer pocket for your cell phone. Big grabbing. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. This does come in a MM. So if you want a bigger bag, it comes in an MM. And up until I think last week, I haven't been checking since 2 weeks ago. This was only available in this print and the one with the vachetta trim. But I noticed that there's also a Tamir Ebin print. So I was like, wow. And at first I'm like, oh no, what am I gonna choose? But for some reason, there's something about the Tamir Ebin, although I love it more than the monogram. It just didn't look quite right in this style bag. I'm not sure what it is. I find that this is a little dressier and a little bit more understated, believe it or not. Usually Tamir Ebin is the understated one, but I think in this style with the trim and the gold and, well, the gold is alright. It just looks better in the monogram for some reason. So I'm happy with the purchase, and I had it shipped to the store because this way I can inspect it before, you know, taking it home in case there's any sort of defects. So sometimes, you know, there's stuff going on with some handbags that Louis Vuitton produces. Oh, you know what? Let me see if it's made in France, which I cannot see because it's so dark. But I'll maybe I'll add to the I will add it to the video later. So thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I would love to hear from you guys, and let me know what other handbags that you've been wanting that you can't get hold of. And yeah, we can talk about it. I don't know what I'm gonna say anymore, but that's it. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye. Close up of the zipper, luggage tag. Okay.